Hi, I'm Amy over at aimforacreativelife.com. This is Cody, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Dollar Tree wreath for under $10 in about 10 minutes. Now, I know you may be thinking, where are the leaves? This is supposed to be fall. But I thought I would incorporate the colors of fall in a little bit different manner than all of the other leafy wreaths out there. And all of your supplies can come from the Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree is not that well stocked, but I still found 8 picks. Aren't they gorgeous? I'm going to take these and completely cover this Dollar Tree wreath. It's a little bit on the small side, but I'm okay with that because I want the flowers to just really fill it out. And the Dollar Tree also had these metal cutout words. They say harvest, thankful, and welcome. So I'm going to just go ahead and use the welcome one for my front door. The tools that you will need for this project are a hot glue gun and glue sticks, wire cutters or really heavy duty scissors, and then the supplies that you'll need to buy from the Dollar Tree are at least 8 floral picks, a grapevine wreath, and the die cut word art that has those 3 options I mentioned. I know you want to help, but I'm going to put you down because I'm going to use the hot glue gun. So I'm going to show you last year what my daughter and I made out of things we had around the house. Just some of the, like a leaf garland, and we just used a foam piece on the back. That was a little bit light for my door and it flew around went in the wind. I definitely recommend getting out your hot glue gun for this project because in the wind you don't want your pretty decorations flying off. My daughter liked to add the glitter to this, so you could do something like that as well if you're not into the flowers, but I, as you can tell, really like purple. So I was very happy to find this purple pick. And not all of the flowers at the Dollar Tree, of course, are going to be that quality, but I thought that these looked quite realistic, and that's why I couldn't resist them. Now, if you were going to buy these flowers at Joann's or Michael's or AC Moore, you would probably be paying $2 to $3 per pick. So I really like the Dollar Tree. I really loved these. There was that little glimmer of glitter, which my daughter liked. Obviously, to start out, find your scissors and take off all those tags. I don't know, I actually might leave this tag, cut off the paper tag, but leave the plastic one for hanging, possibly. I don't know. Because these are from the Dollar Tree, they're not maybe the best, but I found the thickest and the sturdiest one in the store. So, they will do the job. So I'm going to go ahead and take off all these tags and get my wire cutters, take a few minutes and clip them down to where they join, just to get them ready to stick into my actual wreath. So I've taken all of the things off that I don't want on my wreath, and I'm ready to position them. Go ahead and figure out where the sturdiest point of your wreath is that you could hang. For instance, if I was to hang it here, that would fall right off. And I might want to just tuck that in with some hot glue, just to make sure that doesn't affect my wreath structure. Of course, you could go over the $10 limit and buy a pre-made one at Big Lots. Those are normally about $30, so this is a third of the price, and I think you're gonna love whatever you create. So let's get started decorating. I'm going to take my high impact item, the glitter poppy, and put it around the wreath first, just so I get positioning the way I like it. Kind of bend the head so it'll face the viewer. And I'll hook it around in the back just for better stability. And when I've got a few of these in, I'm going to go in and hot glue them a little bit better, for a little better security. I did make a spring wreath that I really liked. That was just a spray on the side. That's another option if you don't want to cover your wreath and you want the pretty grapevine to show up. That's an option and will probably save you some money. You can go see that video, DIY 10 minute and under spring wreath. I'll show you at the end if you're interested in that style. But this time I just really wanted a full flower arrangement. All you gotta do is poke it around, and then you could move it around if you don't like it. Nothing's permanent until you glue it on. Cody's looking less than impressed. But you gotta stick with it. Keep moving it around until you know what you like. So besides these big impact ones, the purple are my other impact color, and I'm going to be putting them in now to figure out how I want to balance that out. I think I'm going to just stick it in that side. Kind of seems to highlight the red pretty well. So it's kind of like a poke and a bend motion. So the reason why you want to bend it at the back is so that it doesn't rotate around, kind of anchors it in better. And unless you're bending it, it's not going to go anywhere. Is that good so far? I like it. Now I'm going to go the other direction just to balance it out a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to take a break from the purple, set this aside, and go towards my other large impact flower. So it's kind of about clustering and not like evenly spacing, because in nature you're not usually going to see evenly spaced things. Trying to maintain a balance without overcrowding, because these are rather large flowers. I'm thinking that I actually don't probably need all of these. It seems to be full enough without that, so I'm going to have to take that out. Then these little guys can show up better. Sometimes you just gotta stick them in and see what you think. I didn't do a trial run, so I'm just winging it as I go, and you can do the same thing because you will know what you enjoy and what you don't. So what I don't like is these converging, pointing the same direction, so I think I'm just going to keep them going that way from now on. So I'm going to go a little bit heavier on the red ones on this side since I have more of the poppies on this side. It's about visual balance and color. So are you guys ready for cold season? My son already gave me his cold that I'm getting over. But I'm thankful it wasn't during the first week of school. Okay, at this point, it's feeling pretty full. This is like a little bit sticking out dweeby, so I'm gonna have to move that. Maybe I'll bend it a little bit. Well, I do like it. I'm gonna think about it here for a little bit. What do you think? Should I make it thicker? I don't know. Definitely don't want another large one. We'll try some purple up there. I think the purple is what we're missing. Okay, now I've got these crazy stems sticking out that I'm gonna have to go in and glue. Be careful, people. Can't tell you how many times I've burnt myself with hot glue guns, but they're so handy. Just glab it on there. Now I don't want to grab where I just glued, or I'm gonna be in trouble. Stick down some of these long guys. And of course, after you've used your glue gun, make sure to get those little glue webs out, or you're gonna look like it's Halloween already with spider webs. To make the top look right with purple, I think I'm going to have to take these little pieces and put them in individually instead of the whole stem. Put them in with some hot glue, and then I'll be finished. Being careful not to get my fingers. Kind of braiding these longer ones a little bit together so they don't fly everywhere. Like that. And anchoring them. Maybe I'll add one last orange right there. And then I'll be done. And there it is. I really love that. Now I'm going to take my welcome and put it on. The size of the wreath works perfect for this. So I think I'm going to have it go up in that thinner area, kind of diagonal. Kind of gonna hook it on some of these sturdier purple ones. Now I'm just double checking to make sure that the welcome is really secure. It's on pretty good. I can tug on it, it doesn't fall. I love it. Well, I'm so excited to hang this up on my door now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when the next video is up. I hope to see you next time. Have a great fall. Bye. So what I'm going to do to start off is to find my scissors.